Hi, are you interested in getting a great GMAT score? Then give me a few minutes of your time and I'll show you how we can help you get there. Now, I understand that you might be thinking this is just another guy trying to sell his course, but if you look at our results, reviews, testimonials, and free lectures on YouTube, I'm sure it will definitely change your mind. This is where AI tells me that I should tell you a soft personal story or a moment of epiphany, but let's keep that aside and directly get to the point. Now, as a student, the most important thing that we want is the personal attention of a teacher, and rightly so, right? Similarly, as a teacher, if I am teaching, if I'm spending my energy on students, I want to make sure that whatever I say, they are able to understand. Guys, for this reason, we only take 5 to 8 students in all our online or offline batches. This way, we are able to ensure that each and every student gets proper personal and individual attention that they want. Equally important for us as a student is if someone can help us provide a structured approach, right? An approach that we can simply follow and make sure that we get the results that we want. For that reason, we have divided your course into 3 levels. The first one is called Concept Builder. With respect to your GMAT, this will be 505 to 555 level. At this level, we build our basics, we build our concepts, and through various topic tests, we evaluate our performance. Only when we are performing to a certain level, that is when we tell that, okay, let's do the next level now, which is your 90 percentile level. This, with respect to GMAT, might be 645 or 655. Now, we go through the same process again. We help you learn certain tricks and make you comfortable at this difficulty level. Right? Again, through various topic tests, evaluating our performance, then we move to the next level, which is 99 percentile. Now, this is the level when we book our exam, we take a lot more tests, take a lot of full-length tests, and only if you're scoring well is when we suggest that you book your exam. This way, guys, during your entire GMAT prep, on a daily or rather on a weekly basis, you get to know where you stand and what is it that you need to do to move to the next level. If you have made it this far in the video, then let me thank you all for giving me your time, and I would like to tell you that we do provide a free demo session for each and every student, and after the demo session we do give you with a personal roadmap or a personal plan that you can follow to get the score you want.